I am Malavali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And some of the testing strategy are unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, and the system testing. Unit testing is a technique in which each individual unit or the component of the software application are tested independently and to verify each unit works correctly. The word unit represents a small testable part of the application, whether it may be a function, method, or a procedure, class, and so on. Some of the objective of unit testing is it reduce the development cost, simplify the debugging, improve the code quality, verify the correctness of the individual unit. And some of the characteristics of unit testing is it can be automated, performed at the lower level of testing, help in identifying the bugs, and focus on single unit of code. Some of the unit testing process are it identify the unit. In this, it first select the class or function or module that is to be tested. For that module or class, it designs the test case. Then it executes the test case with all the valid input into a individual unit. Then compare the actual result with the expected result. It fixes the error if any individual unit part of the code is error. A code finds the error. Again, it tests and fix the errors. The advantage of the unit testing is it reduces the debugging time, improve the code quality, find the bug earlier, increase the developers confidence. Some of the disadvantages of unit testing is it is a time consuming process for large project as it divides it into a separate unit and maybe uncover on system level defects as it divides it into a unit. A test case need to be maintained because for each individual unit it need to know which test case and which input are used. uh, Next is the integration testing. In this, it combines the modules or component and test together to verify how it work together. The purpose of the integration testing is to detect the interface and communicate defect between the integrated components, detect the readability, validate the interaction among the component, detect the interface defects. The need for the integration testing is the main need for the integration testing is that each individual component work correctly when it combined what type of output it does produce. These are tested in the integration testing. For example, if we take an online shopping application, each has separate module: login, product search, shopping mart, payment gateway. When these are combined, whenever we order a things in the online, all have to work together, then only we can deliver or we can get a product. As I said in the unit testing, the same process is followed in the integration testing. First, it identifies the modules and combine the modules which are similar. The test case are then designed. Then these test cases, test input are given for the test case and are executed. If there are any error, the error are corrected, and then it is retested with all the module works correctly. The type of the integration testing are in the top-down integration testing. The testing starts from the topper level module and then it moves forward. In the lower level module are not yet developed and are replaced with these stubs. The main modules are in the topper level and the lower level supports the topper level modules. Some of the advantages of the top-down integration testing are main logic are tested early and these prototypes are available in the early stage itself. Bottom-up integration testing. In the testing, start from the lower level module and then move upward. The higher level module are paced with the drivers. Some of the advantages of the bottom-up integration testing is the lower level module are tested thoroughly and no stubs are required. Next is the Big Bang testing. All the modules are integrated once and tested together. Here we not divide it into a sub module. All the modules are combined and all the modules are tested together. The advantage is it needs a less preparation time and it is a simple approach. Next is the hybrid testing. It combines the top-down and the bottom-up testing. In this, the testing are done in the both direction simultaneously. So it cover both the test coverages and also have a fast testing abilities. The validation testing is a technique to verify whether the system fulfills the customer need and it ensures all the functional and the non-functional requirements are satisfied. It also confirms the product have been built and satisfied whether it is built as per the requirement of the customer. Here in the validation testing, we focus both on the verification and validation. The purpose of the validation testing is that it ensures the system fulfillment and also verify customer requirements. The process of validation testing is it review the business and user requirement and execute the validation test case based on the real world scenarios.